Germany, Europe, Asia, South Korea, North America, Australia. These countries come from different continents of the world, and this will prove that this strategy is 100% working worldwide. And the good thing here is, you won't need a camera, any skills, or even knowledge in photography in order to get paid. Hey there! Welcome to Online Money Mastery. I teach tips and tricks in making money online. Subscribe to the YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated whenever I upload a new video. Just smash the like button and leave a comment below. Now let's jump to the video. The site that we will be using to earn money online is Shutterstock.com. This is actually the site that will give us hundreds or even thousands of dollars. If you didn't know Shutterstock, it's a site wherein you can find infinite numbers of royalty-free stock images, photos, videos, and more for your creative projects. Royalty-free means if you download this stuff here and you can use it anytime and anywhere you want without being copyright. The main reason why most people use Shutterstock is simply because it's far cheaper than other websites, and also it's the best site to find great-looking images. And if you scroll down, you will see the partnered websites of Shutterstock, which is one of the biggest and well-known websites around the world. We have Google, AMS, BBDO, BuzzFeed, and Marvel. As I said earlier, this website will pay us hundreds of dollars without taking any pictures. Yes, you heard that right. No camera or even skills are needed as long as you can follow the process in this tutorial. I know that most of you watching this video don't have any decent camera and skills that capture imaginative photos. The best thing about this website is Shutterstock can pay you in a passive manner. Before we proceed to the next things in this tutorial, I will explain first how it works. If you upload pictures on this website and someone downloads your pictures, you will get paid. As easy as that. And because your photos will stay here forever, you can earn an infinite amount of dollars. You just upload the photos here and leave them, and you will earn money. Another thing that Shutterstock is more special is how famous it is. If you go to Google and search for similarweb.com, you can see the exact statistics on how many people visit this website months ago. As you can see here, there are more than 70 million people who visit this website. That's literally insane numbers. And below on that, you will see that it's literally increasing to more than 3%. And if you scroll down a little bit, you will see there are more than 247 countries that visited Shutterstock. That will definitely prove that this website and this kind of strategy will work in all continents around the world. And if I do the thinking, the more people who visit this website, the higher the possibility that you will earn more. Anyways, so much for that, let's go back to Shutterstock. Before I show you the next steps in making money online, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe and bell icon so you'll always be updated about new ways to make money online. All you need to do here is to hop in your mouse and scroll to the lowest portion of the website and look for contributors here. And below on that, you will see sell your content and click it. Doing so, it will take us to this page. And on this page, I have several things to show you. As you can see here, there are instructions on how to become a contributor. First, you will create. We will not focus on creating pictures because we will simply grab all of those. Second, submit. In this portion, you will simply upload all the images that we grab on the other site. Third, get paid. You will be paid if someone downloads your images. As you can observe, it is impossible for you not to earn hundreds of dollars, at least due to the popularity and accessibility. As I showed earlier, this website is available worldwide. The more downloads of your photos, the more money you can earn. Lastly, refer. You can refer someone to download images on Shutterstock, and you will get paid for that effort too. And wait, there's more. As you scroll down, you will see this one. Over the last 15 years, we've paid out $1 billion to our worldwide community of contributors. It's really amazing and motivating to do some work and get paid on this legit website. Just a little bit of scrolling, you will find this one. Join our global community. And below on that, click on Global Earnings. you will see how big this website is and how much it paid to the different continents of the world. If you scroll down, you will see the in-demand content on this website. We have diversity, localization, authenticity, and reactions. Anyways, in order for you to start your journey on this website, go back to the first page, Shutterstock.com, and click here to get started. And on this page, all you need is to enter your details. In the first box, just enter your name. On the second one, your display name. Your display name is just like your username. Here, just enter your email address and password. And most of all, don't leave this box unchecked. If you check on this, it means that you agree to their terms and service and privacy policy. And click sign in. If you're not done yet, let me show you where to find those pictures. The site that I will be going to introduce to you is no other than idplr.com. If you hop in your mouse and go to products on the upper portion of the site, you will see that this site will provide you not only amazing images, but also ebooks, softwares, videos, templates, and so on. And since we're looking for images, go to graphics and click on with resell rights. And that will take you to this page. If you notice, we click on with resell rights. It means you can use all of these images and make money on them. And the good thing about this site that I think you will love is all the images are already groups by more than hundreds. You don't need to spend hours downloading it one by one. As an example, click on one of these bundles available. And on this page, if you scroll down here, you will see this. Yes, can be sold. See, you can literally make money out of this. And take note, there are also restrictions in each package, so beware of it. Anyways, to download this, just simply click on this. And if you want to download it, you need to create an account. So simply create an account by clicking here. Download all the packages that you think you can make money out from them. Once you already done downloading, just go back to Shutterstock and upload all the images that you got from IDPLR. And since you uploaded hundreds of images at least, it will allow you to earn a decent amount of money. And because you stay with me until this portion of the video, I have something special for you. You can also earn a decent amount of money through their referrals. And if you remember, I mentioned it earlier in this video. So, to start as an affiliate on this website, just simply scroll to the bottom and look for the partner, and below on that, you will see affiliate and click that instantly. And check this, one guy joined the Shutterstock affiliate program and earned up to $300 per new customer purchase. The single person you refer here will allow you to earn up to $300. It's totally awesome. As of my experience, this website is one of the highest paid websites as far as affiliate marketing is concerned. It is worthwhile to promote this site to various social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and so on. You may or not do this separate way in earning money online, but I humbly suggest that you will, in order to maximize your time and your earnings. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and enjoy my content, be sure to leave a thumbs up below to support my channel. And for you not to miss any of my future videos, then click on the subscribe button and make a ring on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever a new video pops up. This is Online Money Mastery. Happy earning! See you in the next video.